This video will show you how to install AlphaDrive for Clio. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to www.alphadriveforclio.com. Once the web page loads, click on the free download button. The download should begin within a few moments. Depending on your web browser, you may see the download displayed in different spots on your screen. I'm using Chrome, so the download is displayed in the bottom left-hand corner of the window. If you are using Firefox or Internet Explorer, the download may be displayed in a different location. Once the download is complete, click on the file to begin the setup process. Depending on your system configuration, you may receive an antivirus alert. If you do, simply approve the installation of AlphaDrive. You will also receive a notification that AlphaDrive will be making changes to your computer. If you have permission to make changes, simply click OK. If not, you will need to get a system administrator to allow changes to be made. In order to authenticate AlphaDrive, you must sign in to Clio. North American users should select North America, while European users should select Europe. Next, enter your Clio username and password. Once you click Sign In, AlphaDrive will begin to process its authentication of Clio. Once authenticated, AlphaDrive must sync its data with Clio. Depending on how much data you currently have stored in Clio, this process may take a while. After completing these steps, AlphaDrive should be installed on your computer and ready to go.